toss out the weeds.
No.
Thank you.
Did she do that for the camera? That's so cute. That was sweet. So you get down in it, in the dirt.
Oh, yes.
Down in the dirty. And you gonna replant today, or today is just pull?
No, I'm going to pull all this. I'm going to plant. And this is a little area I'm going to work on today.
Okay, all right.
Just doing this.
And you mentioned something about blue elderberry. You already have some that's ready?
Yeah, right there. That big bush. That's an elderberry plant.
That big one right there?
Yeah, and there's probably some little ones there too growing.
So how do you use it? If you want to have the vitamins, you use what part of the plant?
The berries.
Okay, but they're not grown yet.
Well, it also flowers. And you can use elderberry flower for tea or for
That's what I want, some tea.
make like a yummy syrup out of it.
Oh.
Kind of like a lemonade. But it's the berries that you use for medicinal benefits. They have antioxidants.
That's what I want.
They're immune boosting.
Yes.
They're amazing for the respiratory system.
So it's good for smokers.
Oh yeah. Yes, mullein is as well, which grows wild.
Don't you have some?
Yes, there is mullein out here for sure. I have dried mullein as well in the house.
You can make a tea with it or no?
Yes, you can make a tea with it and you can smoke it as well.
What you got I can smoke? Natural is what we talking about.
If you wanted to.
I do. Can you mix it with chamomile? Have you heard of mixing it with chamomile?
I don't know, but I definitely have books in there that we could look up.
Okay.
What would be good, a good blend for
The reason why I asked, because I smoked them at a time when I wanted to quit smoking other stuff, and they help you to quit smoking, period.
Okay, that's good, and that's good to know.
It'll wean you off of smoking, and then you're going to be done.
I feel like there's so many things, like within natural medicine, I feel like I'm never going to be done learning about it. And then, like, I feel like a lot of my learning is from just interacting with other people and hearing their stories and things that they've learned. And then I'm like, oh, wow, that's something I could offer to someone else.
Exactly.
Or they'll even suggest something like, hey, do you have this? Or could you make this for me? And then it turns out to be like
a lesson, huh?
Yeah, like a
whole
really
life lesson.
product also.
Yeah.
And it's all because someone asked me, hey, do you have this? Or can you make it for me?
Good. Is that right? Oh, that's what I was saying. I wanted to make the penis, I'm saying it on camera, the penis wash.
Oh, yes.
With the,
we have a yoni steam, so
yoni steam.
Why not have I would call it something else, though.
Like, he can do it himself. We don't have to do the ritual like we do on the women.
Yeah, he's gonna have to do that himself.
But he can. But there's Snoop Dogg. Somebody came out with a line for them, and it's a smell good thing, or some wipes. Would you be able to make baby wipes? Not baby wipes, but a body wipe that has those natural.
Like out of cheesecloth or something like that.
Yeah.
For sure.
There go the rain.
Yeah.
So the plants.
What I can right here, where I've cleared out.
Okay.
Do some zucchini. That will do well on the farm stand, like on the roadside.
Okay.
And then we eat a bunch. I can preserve it. Dehydrate it. Zucchini chips.
Why is so much rain, Lord?
Yeah. Looks like that's all I'm going to be able to get in today.
She enjoying it on the trampoline.
Oh, yes.
I used to put some water and we used to put soap on a trampoline. I can't believe we did that. Damn near slid off and went to heaven.
They've done that a couple times up there too. They love that.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. I'm gonna go back this way. It's a nice place to shoot some guns. Popping some guns around this piece. Everybody got guns down here in Texas. Best fucking believe it. Best fucking believe it. Best fucking believe it. Better fucking believe that. Anyways, I'm about to go listen to Ride a Wave. Alone in Houston? Something like that. All alone in Houston. Just all alone by yourself without me, baby. That's so sad. I know you're sad without me because I make your world so sweet. and sugary and all those fine things that I bring to your life. That girl that tastes like candy. Hey, that be me. Just like candy is written and tattooed there. Written and tattooed, just like candy. You heard me? Mwah.